Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Classes. Today we will start with codominance. Yes, so firstly see what is codominance. Okay, co in the sense of what? That is both. So here both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrids. Okay, equally. Not dominant and recessive here. Okay, so such alleles which are able to express themselves independently even if they present together in hybrids. Okay, they are nothing but what? Codominant alleles. Thus in codominant both the genes were expressed in F1 hybrids. Okay, so they have the equally participation regarding toward the characteristics of that parent in the F1 generation. Okay, let's see the example of codominance here. So see in this chart, yes, this is the example of coat color in cattle. Yes, so there are two types, one with red coat, that is skin with red color hairs, yes, and the other with white coat, that is with white hair. Okay, so when red cattle, that is capital RR, are crossed with white cattle, that is capital W, so the F1 hybrids will be capital R and capital W, but here we have a roan color, that is roans have the mixture of both, that is red as well as white color hairs. Okay, thus both the triads, both the characters are expressed equally in F1 generation, and in F2 generation, yes, the produced by interbreeding of roans, that is red with capital RR, roans with capital R, capital W, and white with capital W and capital W are produced. So that is in the ratio of 1:2:1. Here both genotypic as well as the phenotypic ratio are identical one, same one, that is the 1:2:1. Okay, so here in case of codominance, what exactly happened? Yes, both the genes expressed for a particular characters in F1 hybrid, that is the progeny, and there is no blending in the sense of what? That is the mixing. There is no any mixing of characters, whereas both the characters are expressed equally. So that is the color, roan color with the mixture of red and white color hairs in F1 generation. So both the triads are expressed equally in F1 generation. So see here the phenotypic ratio, that is phenotypic is nothing but what? The observable characters. Yes, so here 1:2:1, one is red, two roans and one white. What about genotypic ratio here? Yes, 1:2:1 same, that is capital RR1, capital R, capital W2, and capital W1. Okay, so that is both the ratio, genotypic as well as phenotypic ratio will be same, that is 1:2:1. So in both, that is the incomplete dominance and codominance, that is genotypic as well as phenotypic ratios are same. They are the identical one. But in case of incomplete dominance, the name itself, incomplete means yes, which is not completed one. The phenotype of hybrid is intermediate, that is the in-between characters are there, in-between phenotypes are there. While in codominance, both the genes are expressed equally in F1 generation. So this is the difference between incomplete and codominance. Yes, so in case of incomplete, there is a yes intermediate product will be formed, and in case of codominance, yes, here the equally distribution regarding the characters in F1 generation, they expressed equally. So once again see here phenotype red and white. Okay, so red is crossed with white. Genotype capital RR for red, capital W and capital W for white. Okay, so these are the parental generation one, and the gametes will be formed capital R for red and capital W for white. Okay, so in F1 generation we got here all roan color, that is with capital R and capital W. Okay, and then by selfing of F1 generation, yes, in F2 generation we got here 1:2:1 ratio, that is phenotype observable characters, one red, two roan and one white. And in genotype, yes, capital RR1, capital R, capital W2 and capital W1, that is 1:2:1. Now see another example of codominance in camellia flowers. Yes, that is white flower is crossed with yes red flower, and we get the codominance, that is both the colors will be appear in the F1 generation. Yes, that is in the camellia flowers. Okay, so see in this figure, white flower, that is CW, it's crossed with red flower, CR. Okay, and yes, the codominance means both the characters will be appear in the F1 generation, in which we just see the flower color, that is both red and white color will be there. So that is nothing but what? Yes, codominance in camellia flower. Okay, so that is CR/CW. Yes, here phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio will be same, 1:2:1. Yes, so this is all about the codominance in cattle as well as in flower. Yes, where they have the phenotypic and genotypic ratio will be same, 1:2:1. But here in case of codominance, what exactly happened here? Both the colors will be appeared equally in the F1 generation. So what is codominance here? So there are more than one dominant alleles are present in F1 generation. As we know that, what is dominant? That is whatever the characters are expressed in F1 generation, that is nothing but what? Dominant characters. Yes, so in case of here codominance, more than one dominant allele will be there, because both the alleles are expressed equally in the F1 generation. Okay, so the heterozygous condition, hetero means different. Okay, so the heterozygous condition means both the alleles are expressed equally. For an example, in camellia flower, yes, that is red flower is crossed with white, and we get, yes, in F1 generation, that is a red and white flowers will be there. Okay, so these are the example of codominance. So we will see about the multiple alleles in our next lecture. Okay then, bye bye. Thank you.